The amount raised by a class over several weeks forms an arithmetic sequence. In week 1, they raised 2,500 pesos. In week 8, they raised 4,600 pesos. What is the common difference? So let us write the given here. Week 1, they raised 2,500. So A sub 1 is 2,500. In week 8, they raised 4,600. So that's A sub 8, 4,600. And the question is the common difference. What is the common difference? So our formula is A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. We know A sub 8 and A sub 1, and we can plug it here in the formula where n is equal to 8. So we can have A sub 8 equals A sub 1 plus 8 minus 1 times d. We know A sub 8, that is 4,600. We know also A sub 1, which is 2,500. 8 minus 1 is 7 times d. Subtract 2,500 from both sides, and you will get 2,100 equals 7d. Divide both sides by 7. 2,100 divided by 7 is 300. So the common difference is 300.
Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!